to do a prosperity floor wash where I'm going to mop the floor before the new year kicked in. So, you know, I'm using limes. So I've got 2 limes here, but I'm just going to use 1. So I'm going to keep this for another time. And I'm going to cut up my lime. So let me get this stuff to cut up the lime. Yeah, so I've got the lime there. I'll just get the knife. Yeah. So you need a knife and your cutting board and your up my lime into fine pieces, you know. So we need hot water. So I'm gonna fill the kettle with some water and put it to the boil. You know? We need like maybe about 10 liters. So I think I'm gonna have to sort of boil the kettle twice. So now the kettle is boiling. I'm gonna get my bucket, mop and bucket, and sort of get ready. Yeah. Alright, so now I've got my mop and bucket ready. So what I'm going to do, I'll just put this here for now, and then I'll just wait for the water to boil, and I'm going to add the ingredients together. I'm going to use 1 oil in my ingredients, but I won't share the oil. If you need the oil, you're going to have to send me a DM, okay? Yes, and this is a prosperity floor wash to ring in the new year, okay? So now the kettle is ready with the number 1. Alright, so I'm going to pour in my water in here. And we're going again to get another kettle full. Actually, the water feel a little bit low, maybe try washing. I don't need to fill the kettle because 10 liters, that would be 10 liters too. So now I'm waiting on this again, the kettle for a second boil, and then I'll pour it in, and then we'll add our ingredients. Okay? Yes. Number 2. So I'm going to continue to pour it in now. Yes. And that is the amount of water that I need to use. I just set the kettle on again, not for that purpose, but to ensure that water is in the kettle. Now I'm going to pour in my lime into the water. Okay. Alright, so I put this there, and I'm going to be using my oil. Okay, I'm going to pour some oil in. 1, 2, 3 drops. Okay, yeah. And that is me finished with the ingredients. So now I have to leave this to sort of brew for like 10 minutes, and I'll come back. Okay, it have to brew for 10 minutes so that the ingredients can really marinate. Okay, so I'm going to come back in 10 minutes to do the floor wash. Okay. So guys, when you're doing your prosperity floor wash, you have to make sure that you sort of clear the space so that you don't have any thing in the way. So you sort of want a clear space so that you can just clean. Okay, so that's why I sort of cleared the whole area, and I want the space to sort of look to be free. You can see I'm gonna activate the ingredients, you know, see, yeah, and now I can put the map in. Wow, smell nice. So that is it, activated, and then I'm gonna start cleaning. So yeah, so this is what I do and for the Prosperity floor wash. Clean before the new year. So we're ringing the new year with the clean floor. Okay. This is the area for the rubbish bin. Try to clean as much as you can. Right, so again, just gonna do this one more time. Wait, you can't see it. Yeah, so pop it there. Wow, it smells good. It smells very good, and yeah. And then I'll just wipe the whole house, and that's how I'll do it. So guys, I'll come back when I'm finished, all right? Clean everywhere, you know, dining room, not lounge, but yeah, I mean, I clean the lounge, but yeah guys, so this is it. I feel good to know that I did it. So I'm gonna end up the vlog right here. So guys, remember, it's New Year's Eve, the last video from E&J Lifestyle for 2024 guys, and we hope to come back next year, and I hope next year will be better guys, because this year we had a little technical issues, and guys, you guys not commenting and liking and subscribing to the channel, but I know that you will come around one day. So thank you so much guys for sticking and staying, and for all our subscribers and our new subscribers and our silent viewers, we thank you so much. Okay, thank you guys. Bye guys. Bye.